Hey guys, right now your Facebook app knows exactly where you are, not just the city, not just the area, the exact location, the exact time, and how long you stayed there, even if you never post anything. And the scary part, most people never gave this permission consciously. It was already enabled. Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to stop Facebook from tracking your live location on Android. Open your Facebook app. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll until you find Privacy Checkup. Tap on Privacy Checkup. Here Facebook shows you different section about your account safety. You are going to focus on your data. Tap on your data settings on Facebook. Press Continue. Then tap Next. Now it will show you an option called Review Your Device Permissions or Go to Device Settings. Tap on it. Now it will redirect you to your phone's app info page for Facebook. Here tap on Permissions. This is the important part. Look for location. If it says allow all the time or allow only while using the app, that means Facebook can track your location. So select Don't Allow. That's it. You just stopped Facebook from accessing your real-time location. But wait, we are not done yet. Since we are already on the main app info page, this is the moment to review the other permissions too. Most people ignore this part. Go back to permissions and check camera. If you don't record stories directly inside Facebook, set it to ask every time or don't allow. Go back. Now check contacts. If this is enabled, Facebook can read your entire contact list to suggest friends. If you never intentionally synced your contacts, turn this off. Go back and this time tap on microphone. If you are not sending voice messages or recording videos inside the app, disable it or set it to ask every time. Go back. Check photos and videos or files and media. Here you will see three options: allow all, allow limited access, or don't allow. If you choose allow all, Facebook can see all your photos anytime you upload something. If you choose allow limited access, you can manually select which photos Facebook can access. This is the safer option if you still want to upload pictures. And if you rarely upload photos, you can choose Don't Allow and simply enable it only when needed. Now let me explain something important. Even if you turn off location, Facebook can still estimate your area using IP address and network data. But disabling location permission removes precise GPS tracking. That's the real difference. Also check your phone's main location settings and review which apps have access. And that's it. You just took control back. If this video helped you, like the video. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.